Hey guys, and welcome to Vlognukkah Day 6. So today is Vlognukkah Day 6, or Vlogmas Day 7, whichever way you want to go by it. Yeah, so today I decided to clean out my closet. Guys, haven't seen my closet over there. I really need to clean it out. I have a lot of clothes that I've had for a long time that I do not wear. I got my garbage bags to throw a lot out. A lot of it I still wear, but a lot of it I don't, and I realized I really need to go through it because I do. It's the plan. So today we're starting off late. I'm going to put on a podcast. I'm going to listen to Brooke Mitchell and Gabrielle Marie, Gals on the Go. I have to catch up on it. I'm very behind. So I'm going to stop talking, and I will see you guys with the start of the vlogging, with the start of the cleaning. So let's go to clean. So hey guys, so I finished my closet. It's very nice and neat and organized. You'll eventually get a closet tour very soon. Here's all the bags. These are all hangers. These are just 2 bags of clothes. So 2 bags is pretty good. And then I got some stuff here that I have to put in the den closet because I don't need it in my room. So yeah, so that was what I was doing for the past, I guess you would say like hours. It really didn't take that long. I did take some breaks, and now it's 4:54. It's 5 o'clock. It's already dark out. So yeah. So that's what I was doing. I was listening to Gals on the Go. Like you saw, I finished the episode. So I'm getting closer to getting caught up. I'm done cleaning. I'm so happy it is done. I really don't have much for today. Yeah, today was kind of boring vlog. But cleaning is fun. I'll see if anything happened exciting later. If not, I'm going to end Vlognukkah Day 6. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning montage with me. It was fun. And yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow in Vlognukkah Day 7, unless something exciting happens during Hanukkah, but I don't think so. So yeah, hope you guys had a great Friday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in Vlognukkah Day 6. Bye guys!